In this tutorial, we are going to create a health system and use that in conjunction with our lives. So in previous tutorials, we've used a life system so that when the player and the enemy get hit, or they hit together, you can see the lives goes down, and then when we eventually lose our lives, we go to our lose screen. So what we want to do is add a health system in place here and use that in conjunction with the lives. So effectively your health will be depleted and then you lose a life. So there's a little bit of logic to this and a few little things we need to look at. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to open up our player, and what I'm going to do then is add an event. So we're going to add a draw, and we're going to say a draw GUI. Now inbuilt with this we have a few little events on the side here, and one of these is actually a health bar. Now if I just hover over some of these, you can see one says draw instant health, and then the other one there is draw health bar. Now I'm actually going to use this one here, draw a health bar. Now currently it says what position do you want it, so we've got left, top, right, bottom. Now if we look at our game for a second, what you'll notice is we haven't really got anything here towards the middle. So just to show you what this does, if I go left and we say 500, top, let's do 10, bottom, let's do 30, and then right, let's do 700. Now we're going to set a background color. This can be white. An outline, again, I'm going to leave that as white. The minimum color, I'm going to choose to like this red. And then the maximum color, I'm going to go with a green. So I'm going to use the color picker here, just choose a lightish shade of green and click OK. Now what will happen is anything within the range, so currently it's set to 100, anything within that range, if it goes to 50, you'll see a shade then in between these two colors. So if I just play this really quickly, you can see there, that's the health bar now that's set up. And that wasn't a bad guess in terms of positioning and so forth, which is pretty nice here. Now, if we wanted to make this a little bit deeper, you can change the top and bottom. So I want to keep the top at 10, but I'm going to keep the bottom here. Let's go to 50. What that has done now is it made a bit of a thicker bar. And likewise, if you want to extend this a little bit, so let's say for argument's sake you want to make the right a little bit longer, you can. So let's say for argument's sake you want to go up to 800, we can. Or if you want to go to the left, 400. Again, if we play this now, what this has done is it's now made that a lot bigger. Okay, so again, that's how you'd set then the health bar up. Now I'm just going to reset this health bar to make it a little bit smaller, because I don't need it to be quite as big as what we've just done. Now what we are going to need to do is we are going to need a health variable, and what we are going to need is in the create here, we're going to add in a var, and we're going to say the health, and we're going to set this as 100. Alright, now what this will effectively do is it'll set the health there to 100. Now we can also set another variable called max health. So if we use max health and we set that to 100, so effectively we are starting with the maximum number. Now what we want to do now is we want to basically do a little formula in here to give us this value. And this, think of it working like a percentage. So we work with percentages and we work at 100%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say health divided by max health, and then multiply by 100. So this now is going to work out a percentage for me. Now, at this moment in time, it's not going to do anything, because all we've got at the moment now is this little formula. So in the enemy, what we're going to do is change this in this cooldown. We're going to change, instead of lives, we're going to say health, and then we're going to say minus, we're going to do 50, so that, I tell you what, we'll do 25 for now. We'll do 25, so minus 25. So if I play this very quickly here now, so we can see my health bar is right at the top. If we get hit, you can see all of a sudden now the health has gone down. My lives hasn't changed yet. If we get hit again, look, it's gone again. If we get hit again, look, it's gone there. And now we're completely depleted, okay? So what's going to happen now is effectively nothing, right? Because we're just going to lose health. And if I had something to show you what the value of health is now, health would probably be something like -50. So what we need to do is use now a piece of code to basically say, well, once the health goes, you lose a life. And if we've got no lives left and we've got no health left, then effectively we've lost the game. So let's have a look at doing that. Now that will be done within a step event. We can write a custom script for it, but we're going to put it in the step event for now. So let's just go here, and we've got a lives option, which is saying if lives is less than 0, go to lose. That's fine. And we've got other things that we've done in the past. Now, if you haven't done anything like this, don't worry, you don't need it. But we are going to need to keep this here if lives is less than or equal to 0. So what I'm going to do is just put another if statement, and I'm going to put it on top here, just so that this is clear here. So what we're going to say is if health is equal to 0, right, then what we want to do is we want to say lives -1 relative. And then what we need to do is reset health. So health goes back up to 100. Okay. So what this is going to do now is when health is equal to 0, it's going to take 1 off our lives, and then it's going to reset health. So if we just play this very quickly, what we've got now, look, our health is full. If we get hit, we get hit again, we get hit again, and look, we're on our last 25%. So let's get hit again. And if you notice now, our health is reset and our lives is down to 2. Let's get hit again and again. Okay, so my lives now is on 1, right? This is quite important because this is the test to see if it works. So we've got 2 more, and the last one, bam, that works beautifully. So effectively, that now is using a health system and a life system together. Now, what happens if you want to add to your health? Well, you'll need a variable, or an object rather, sorry. So let's say for argument's sake, we're going to do coins. So if I just create a new coin, so O coin. Now I could call this O health, right? Pickup. So this now is my health pickup. And what I'm going to do is just click here, and I'm going to just put the coin in, and we are effectively going to do a collision with the object player. So when the player and this collide, we need to drag in a var in, and we're going to say health and then 25 relative. So what that does then, that adds 25 points back on. Okay. We also then need to destroy it as well. Now, if I just show you how this is going to work together, because there is a little issue with doing it this way as well. So my coin is here. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. So if we play this, so straight away we've lost some health, and if I grab my coin now, my health is returned. Okay. Now the downside with this, we do need to modify this code ever so slightly, because what I can do is I can go and pick the health up straight away. Now you won't see this, but the health bar is probably out here. So if I get hit, you notice my health doesn't change. So what we need to say is if we are at maximum health, don't pick anything up. Now the easiest way to do that is if we go and put an if statement here, and if we say if health is equal to 100, then do that. But really what we do need to do is add this not in. So what this is saying, if the health is not equal to 100, then we can do this, right? So effectively our health will, I tell you what, we could probably, yeah, we'll leave it at that. So effectively our health is, if our health is 100, this will never run, but if it's not 100, then that will run. So effectively that is a full health system with a pickup and a life system built in.